Yo, just got the first order of the day. This is McDonald's, $7 and change, going just under 4 miles. I'm like 2 minutes early from the lobby being opened, so that's annoying.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
I have an Uber Eats pickup.
What's the code on that today?
Good morning. Will you
AF1.
be using our mobile app today? Good morning. Will you be using our mobile app today?
No, I have an Uber Eats pickup.
Okay, just 1 second. What's your code?
AF1.
I'm sorry?
AF1.
Alrighty, come on down. Thank you.
I get the AF1 here
Yep.
for you today.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. We are doing earn by time today. The current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we got our first DoorDash order. This is going to be Starbucks, going 5 miles. There you are. Like your nails. Ooh, pretty good tip on that too. Total ended up being $9 for that. That only took like 15 minutes to do, so good order. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one, I think it said it was going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that one ended up being $8 and change, and we're going back to McDonald's. This is going 3.5 miles. Total for that one ended up being just under $6. Next up, we're going to McDonald's. This one's going to be 4.5 miles. Of course, it's upstairs. Total for that one was $5. High mileage on this next one. We've got Angels going 9 miles. Good morning. We've got Michael.
Just the box of donuts.
Thank you. Might be this. Okay. What is this? L. No. But we're close. Oh, it's that over there. I see you. I see you. How do I get over there, though? Total for that was $8, and we got the next order right away. This is Panera, going 5 miles. I don't know why that took so long, but we are 9 minutes past the estimated pickup time. 0 tip, huh? Total ended up being $7. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $8, going 3.5 miles.
DoorDash?
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Meet at door. Ew. Next up, we've got a Black Bear Diner going 4 miles. Thank you. Thank you. No drink on this, right?
No.
Total for that one was $8 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is the Human Bean going 5 miles.
Here's this for ya. Here's this order.
Thank you.
Have an amazing rest of your day.
You too. Ooh, good tip on that one, which was pretty surprising because this neighborhood does not like to tip very well. But the total for that one was $13. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This one is going 5 miles.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. It says, please don't knock or ring doorbell. My dog will go crazy. Total for that one was $11 and change. Guess where we are again? McDonald's. This one is going to be going 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $5 and change, and we got the next order right away. This is IHOP going 5 miles.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Zero tip. Nice. Total was $4. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $10 going 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This is $11 going 3.5 miles. Okay, something came up and I gotta end it a little early. Current time is 10:52. Current total, we are at 114, and I think I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips, so that should bring it up to like what, maybe close to 130. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.